Hello and welcome to this section, dissecting time series and sequential data. In the previous section we learned about speech recognition. In this section we'll transform data into time series and then learn how to splice it and operate it. We'll also extract statistics from this time series data, build hidden Markov models and conditional random fields for it. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with sequencing of observations into time series data and visualizing it. We'll start by understanding how to convert a sequence of observations into time series data and visualize it. We'll use a library called Pandas to analyze time series data. Make sure that you install Pandas before you proceed further. You can find the installation instructions at this website. Let's move on to our editor and create a new Python file. We'll name our file convert-to-time-series.py. Next, we'll import these packages. Let's define a function to read an input file that converts sequential observations into time-indexed data. Now we'll use a text file consisting of 4 columns. The first column denotes the year, the second column denotes the month, and the third and fourth columns denote data. Let's load this into a numpy array. As this is arranged chronologically, the first row contains the start date and the last row contains the end date. Let's extract the starting and ending dates for this dataset. There is also a verbose mode for this function, so if this is set to true, it will print a few things. Let's print out the start and end dates. Let's now create a pandas variable which contains the date sequence with monthly intervals. Our next step is to convert the given column into time series data. You can access this data using the month and year as opposed to index. Now use the verbose mode to print out the first 10 elements. Next, return the time indexed variable as this. Then define the main function as follows. After this, we use the data timeseries.txt file that is already provided to us. Now load the third column from this text file and convert it into time series data. The Pandas library provides a nice plotting function that you can run directly on the variable. The full code is given in the convert-to-timeseries.py file that's provided to us. We're now ready to run our code. So we move to the command prompt. So we give here the names of our .py and .txt files. And now you can see the output on the screen for the input data. Cool. In this video we've taken the input data set and transformed it into the time series format. In the next video we'll see how we can perform slicing on our time series data.